Okay, students. So this week we're going to talk about measures of central tendency. All right, so we've heard about the mean, the mode, and the median. So that's exactly what we're doing. It's just a review of those terms here. Okay, we're gonna get some information of some data, and we're gonna find all those. To start, please have a calculator ready, and let's do this. So, measures of central tendency. Central, the middle, right? The center. So a value that describes the center of a data set. So that is a measure of central tendency. So now you have the mean. The mean is the average of the values. So it's the sum divided by the total numbers, the total set of data that you have. The median, the middle value. So you first have to put it in order, and then you grab the middle value. Okay, we're gonna see how that's done too. And then the mode or the modes. It can be no modes, or it can be many modes, or it can be just one mode. So the most occurring value or values. And then we have the range. It's the difference of the largest value minus the smallest value. So that would be the range. So let's do some work here. So it says the daily high temperature for the past 2 weeks in Orlando, where, right? So we have all the set. This is the set of the data that you have to use. So now the first thing that I do, let's find the mean first. So right here, the mean. So we're going to, for the mean, we don't need to put them in order. We're gonna be putting them in order for the median, but for the mean, you don't need to. You just make sure you count them, how many you have. So for the mean, you have the sum, so you're gonna have to add all of these and then divide them by how many we have. So how many we have? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. We have 14 values. And then if you add them all, we get 1,236. And then we have a total of 14. So you divide. And then the mean is 88.3. So that's the average. Now for the next one, for the median, we have to put them in order. So let's do that for the median. Let's put MED for median. And then we put them in order. We have 82, 86, 86 again, 87, 88, 3 times 88, right? 88, 88. Then we have 89. We have another 89. We have 90, 3 times. And then we have 91 and 92. So make sure you have 14, right? So 1, 2, 3. Yep, we do have 14. So the median is the middle number. So what's half of 14? 7, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And then again, so this will be the median here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Since we have 2 medians here, we have these 2 this is in the middle, right? So in the middle of these 2, the median, so we can just add them and divide by 2, right? And that would be the median. So the median is, so 88 plus 89 divided by 2. Which is the same thing as 80. What's in the middle of these 2? Well, 88.5. And the mode is the most repeating values here. So we have a couple here. We have 88 that repeats 3 times and 90. So we have 2 modes here. And then the range, we just grab the biggest value and subtract the smallest value. So that's 10. So that's 92, right? So 92 minus 82. That's the range. Okay. And that's it. All right. Let's do another one. So the number of points scored by a football team during their 16-game season, 16 games. So there should be 16 here, right? So let's check. Yep. They're telling you how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 16. So the total, you add them all, so the mean is, well, if you add them all, you get 399 divided by 16. So 399 divided by 16, that's what? 24.9. The median, we have to set this in order. Well, let's set this in order. We have 7, 10, 16, 16, 20, 24, 25, 3 times. And then we have 28, 30, 31 twice. Whoops, 31 twice. We have 33 twice. And then we have 45. So then for the median, we just have to get the middle. So if we have 16, then the half of 16 is 8. So it's between those two. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's in between here, right? But what's between 25 and 25? Well, 25. It's the same number, right? All right. So now the next one would be, what's the mode? What's the most repeating number? Here is 25. This one repeats 3 times, so that's why. 25 again. And then my range, well, we grab the highest number and we subtract the smallest. So that would be 45 minus 7, which is 38. And that's it. Okay. All right, let's do one more here. So we have Jenna's math quiz grades in the second quarter. Where? So you have a set of numbers here. So let's count how many we have. We have a total of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the mean, we're going to add them all, and we get 766. And then we divide by 9, and then we get 85.1 for the mean. For the median, we have to remember to put them in order. When we put them in order, we have 72, 78, 80, 82, 84, 87, 90, 95, and 98. And how many do we have? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So half of 9 is 4.5. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So it's this one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the middle number, the one in the middle. So there's 4 in between, right? So there's 4 on each side. This is the one in the middle. So my median is 84. Okay. Now, sometimes you have to break it. So add and divide by 2 to find the middle number. Like in this case, this one would be a case where it's the same number. But this one, it was right there. So there's 4 on each side. Okay. All right, let's do one more here. So it says the amount of money. Oh, wait, modes. Okay, which one is the mode? The mode here, we have none. There's no mode, no number repeats. So there's no mode. The range, 98 minus 72. 98 minus 72. How much is that? That is 26. All right, last one here. So we have the mean. Mean, we add the numbers. We get 3831. We divide it by 7 because there are 7 numbers here on the set. And then we divide by 7, we get 547.3. You only need 1 decimal point. It's good. And then we do the median. Median. Oops. Matt, I just put a minute. For the median, we need to put them in order from the smallest to the highest. So the first one is 244, 378, 520. Yep, 520. 575, 618, 702, and 794. So since there's 7, there's a middle one. So 1, 2, 3. So this one is the middle one right here. There's 3 here and 3 here. That's the middle one. So the median is 575. Okay, that's a 7. All right, the modes. Which one repeats? Well, there's none. None repeat. And then we have the range, which is the highest minus the smallest one. So that would be, so it's 794 minus 244, which gives you 550. And that's it. I hope this helps.